Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to change username on Snapchat. So if you also want to change username on Snapchat, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Snapchat application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Snapchat has been opened. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to change the username on Snapchat, it's very simple. For that, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to your profile interface. From here you'll be able to see your profile. At top, you'll be able to find several icons over here. You'll be able to find the icon for notification, share and settings. Simply tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option regarding name, username, birthday, mobile number, email, etc. If you want to change the username, simply tap on the second option, that is username. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the username interface. From here you'll be able to change the username. You can see the current username over here. Right below it you'll be able to find the option for change username. All you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Your username can only be changed once a year. Your username might become eligible for reuse by someone else in the future. Simply tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to change the username. Simply erase the initial username. Now enter the new username for yourself. Now after you enter the username, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to enter the password to continue. Simply enter your password. After you enter the password, tap on the confirm option that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Are you sure you can only change the username once a year? Simply tap on the continue option. Now you can see over here your username has been successfully updated. Tap on the continue option. Now let's go back. Now you can see over here your username has been changed. So that is how you change username on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.